In this video, I'll guide you through how to view your W-2 inches Gusto. Whether you're preparing for tax season or just want to keep your records up to date, accessing your W-2 online is simple and straightforward. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to gusto.com. This is the main website for Gusto, a popular platform used by many companies for payroll and human resources services. Once you've reached the website, you'll be prompted to log in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up using the information provided by your employer. Assuming you have your login credentials handy, go ahead and enter them now. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Gusto dashboard. This is your home base for all things related to your employment, from pay stubs to benefits. For today's task, we're focusing on taxes, so let's move on to the next step. Now you'll want to locate and click on the Taxes and Compliance section. This is usually found in the main menu or sidebar of your dashboard. This section is dedicated to all tax-related documents and compliance information, making it a one-stop shop for everything you need to stay on top of your taxes. Once you've clicked on Taxes and Compliance, you should see a new set of options. Next, look for and click on Tax Documents. This is where Gusto stores all of your important tax paperwork, including your W-2s. It's like a digital filing cabinet that you can access whenever you need to. By clicking Tax Documents, you'll be taken to a page displaying all available tax forms organized by year. This makes it easy to find the specific document you're looking for. Finally, within the Tax Documents section, locate and click on W-2s. This will bring up a list of all your W-2 forms available in Gusto. If your employer has already filed them for the current year, you'll see your most recent W-2 here. Click on the desired W-2 form to view it. You can also download and print it if you need a hard copy for your records or to take to your tax preparer. And there you have it. You've successfully viewed your W-2 inches Gusto. Remember, keeping track of your tax documents is crucial for accurate tax filing and financial planning. If you have any questions or run into issues, Gusto's support team is always available to help. Just reach out to them through the help section on the website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made finding your W-2 inches Gusto a breeze. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy tax filing!